All right, it is time for CSS Battle. We have this gallery looking thing. Okay. Hmm. First thought is box shadow, excuse me. Background on the HTML is this color. We'll see if I actually want that. Since I'm going to use box shadow anyway, it may be easier to set. I have to have a selector though. Still not working. Why not? Because I'm done. That's why. There we go. All right. Um, hmm. Don't know. Yeah, it does matter. I can't make it wider, but not taller. So it'll be easier just to offset things to one side. So let's select my HTML. Nope, let's select the body and margin it in. It's going to be, I don't know, 70, 170. Outline 1 pixel solid. It's too far on this, too far everywhere. 60, 65, 60, and 140. That looks right. uh, Color. There's more yellow ones than black ones. Need a color though. How did I break it again? Maybe I didn't. Okay. And then box shadow. I want to color itself. So it's going to be inset 9-inch, 9-inch. Wondering if this is what I want. I think it's not. Maybe we can address that in a minute. We'll see. And then I want, this is going to be a long box shadow statement. Let's do 20 pixels, 0, 0, 20 pixels, except minus, which means it probably needs to be 40 pixels. There's what I was kind of looking for. It's the wrong color right now, but that's okay. It's going to be black. Is that the right thing? Not quite. This is going to be 15, and this is going to be 35. That looks like the right thing. Now we need it again. So it's going to be 70 pixels, 0, 0, minus 30 pixels. Need a comma. Minus 25. And then minus 75. Nope. 65. That looks right. And then comma. Okay, so let's see if the pattern stays. 95 pixels. 0, 0, minus 35 pixels. 0, 0, 0. That looks right. And then we have 125 pixels, 0, 0, minus 45 pixels. That looks like the right thing. Let's get rid of the outline. So we have that side. Can I WebKit box reflect left minus 50 pixels, 100, 120. That looks close. That looks right. That is right. 179 is not great. Let's unit replace. It's not going to get a lot of them because they are odd values. But in theory, we can get rid of that selector. Let's get rid of that. And then let's go to the bottom, right? I don't know. 0.009 inch. Need to get rid of the semicolon here, replace it with a comma, and make this color, then semicolon, and we have nothing because that is in the wrong place. Maybe semicolon, go away, semicolon, come back. So in box shadows, the bottom thing is on bottom, right? Yeah. So it should be like that. But that's how I had it. Why is the bottom thing? Because on WebKit box we're collecting everything over the top. No, that's not it. Interesting. All right, let's undo this. So we had it working. Let's see if I can be smarter about how I do it. Okay, there's working. Now, let's work on the box shadow alone. So inset doesn't matter, it's its own thing. So then, the thing that's on top of the box shadow is the utmost thing. So I want a thing on bottom. That should make sense to me. Now, let's do something different. Let's say it's 150 pixels. 0, 0, 0. And let's make it red. Okay, that's fine. Now let's make it 10 pixels. Now let's make it 50 pixels, 60 pixels, 9 inches. Interesting. 80 pixels, 90. Okay, it works there. That's fun. What is 90 pixels? 5 LH. And this color? Can I get rid of that now? Yes. Can I get rid of that selector? No. All right, so I have to do star plus star. And get rid of that. That's fun. All right. I already replaced pixel values and it didn't work very well. Let's see if we can cheat on some of the pixel values then. 37Q. 69Q. 95Q, or 95 pixels, is that still working? 100Q. 125. Didn't like that one. 95 pixels. 132Q. Yeah, that one's okay. 27 Q. Nope. Try 26. Nope. That should have been minus, oops, minus 15 VH. Yep, okay, so let's minify, submit. 174 is not going to be a very exciting score. Let's prettify. The other way I thought about doing this was not box shadows at all. But here's a solution. I don't know if you guys prefer multiple videos or me compiling everything into one video. Let me know in the doobly-doo which way you think is better. For now, this is a solution. This may be all I get. I only have 8 minutes left, technically, of my timer. But I'm going to try something different. What is that different thing? That different thing is going to be style. I need a selector, background green. Then I'm just going to select a paragraph. I'm going to say position fixed. I'm going to say width is attr x pixels. And I'm going to say height is attr y pixels. Top, I'm just going to give it a value for now, 100 left, 100. That'll change. So now I need a paragraph. X equal, I don't know what it is, 50. Y equal 100. There's the thing. Kinda. Doesn't have a background. Ooh, that might be a problem. Background, yellow. Okay, there's the thing. Top is less than 100. Top is like, I don't know. I had a margin for it, but of course I can't remember that. 60, 50. Left is 150, 60. Top is 45, 48, 42. Nope, 45. I don't know what it is, 44? Anyway, left 140. That looks right. Now, X is 120. Y is 150, 70, 80. Okay, that's the top one, so it's last. Now I need another paragraph, and it's the one under it. It's going to have an X equal to, that's width, 140, so it's going to be more, and Y of 160. And can I see that thing? Yeah, there it is. I'm going to get rid of this closing paragraph tag, maybe. Okay. Now its top needs to not be 44, but 44. So recalc 44 pixels plus 160 pixels minus y. Oh, attr y pixels. So that's not right. But did I move the other one? Looks like I moved the other one. Oh, well, yeah. So it's going to be 180. Yeah, that's right. And then I only want half of this one. That's 0.5 times. Well, that messed it up. Okay. Yeah. 0.5 times 180 pixels. So this is too big. It's not 180. It's 175. No, not that one. That one's still 180. This one's 155. Can't tell if that's right or not. Now we're gonna have some fun. P int child odd background black. 153. And I need the diff back on. 154. 2, 1, 0. 49. 48. Why is nothing changing? Maybe it is. It's just not ever getting happy because I'm doing half pixel font. And of course I can't check and see if that's going to be acceptable to the backend. Okay, the other thing that I have to deal with is the fact that it's wider. So it's 160, and then I have to move it left. So I'd have to say calc 140 plus, and that has to be pixels, 0.5, 120 pixels minus, although I think I can factor out, yeah, I should be able to factor out the 0.5. That's okay. 0.5 times attr x pixels. Okay, that moved everything, of course. So what did I do to the other to fix it? I did the point. Oh, I'm going to multiply. There. Okay. Now I need another one. This is already 266 characters, so this is a bad idea. Don't do this. One sixty, 150, 160 wide. I don't know. Okay. It's doing what I think. 190, let's call it. And 120. So that's should be 40, so it'd be 200. It's exactly backwards even. Oh, right. It's going to switch every time that I add a paragraph. Got it. 130. Have much hopes that this is going to work. This is 267 characters already. This is a bad idea. Don't do this. I'm going to go back to the thing that worked, load that, Codify, turn off the timer. Anything else to be saved? Yes, there's at least one more character can come out there. Is that really what the diff looks like? The other one might have worked, because this diff looks pretty awful. On a, yeah, I'm not going to be able to use alpha because everything's overlapping and it's not going to work. Although white and this color might work. Probably not, that's 4 away. Yeah, that, oh, and interesting. There's an overlap thing going on right there. That's why this, okay. So as I make this bigger, 6, 7, 8, 9, it starts to overlap the other thing on the other side. That's why I was hiding everything. Interesting. So 8 can work, but that number needs to be the number or color. Yep. Although, oh, I didn't minify. Duh. Submit. All right. Other one was a fun experiment, and conceptually would have worked fine. Just would have been all the characters. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.